We are just at Bridlington seafront. It's quite busy actually today, it's a Monday, so yeah, not a fan, but we've all got ice creams. We've got this honeycomb one and it's so good. Look at that cloud. It's quite warm though. We're on a little pirate ship. It was £2 each, why not? It's so good. Yeah, we had to take Mike out because we didn't all fit. We were so meant for little kids, but we're big kids. Mike's over there.
How far did that actually go?
Quite far. I'm sorry.
That's not even far.
Oh no. Imagine.
I think we stopped breathing.
Yeah, I'm glad we didn't have like ships behind all this. Hey, squash! I'm sorry! Oh my god, look at it! I got my little tradition of little pot of prawns with that. Is it rosemary sauce? Is that what it's called? Rose? I don't know. But so nice. I always get it at the seaside, but yeah. Love it. So today in Brid we got some games. Well, Alan won this on Hook a Duck. It's like a smelly ball type thing. Then we got, and she keeps hitting me all day. Like, stop. She's a little shit. And then we've got this little ball for volleyball. And then we got some bats and balls to take to like the beach and stuff, but we're just gonna play in the garden because we're big kids. I'm just in this very creased Baby Yoda shop and Mike's joggers.
And yeah, no, our days are never end. Alright then. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time. Light off fire, gotta love it till you never break apart. And we moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we're gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we're gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we're gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we're gonna do this tonight.
Good morning everyone. So today we are off to Filey to go to this, I think it's called Bird World or something, but it's got like loads of little animals like meerkats and stuff, so very exciting. And you're allowed to take the dogs, which is good because apparently Riley loves it there, just staring at all the animals. So yeah, should be cute. The weather was really nice, but it's just, I think it's gonna go cloudy now, which is a bit sad, but at least I won't get burned. So yeah, I'm getting Mikey to take some cute pictures of me under this tree because it's cute. But ears on. I just wanted to see if they were.
You tell me you're fine, but you're not fine.
Riley's not happy. He is seriously unimpressed that his lover Jenny has gone. Look at
They ask you
him.
how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, it will.
It's fine.
Yeah. It's a squeeze. So what's it called? Filey Bird Garden. But it's got more than just birds too. But who's this little guy? I don't know if you can see him. He's very cute. Cute.
Meerkats, boys. It's a chubby meerkat.
They're so cute.
Oh.
not bothered, are they?
No, they're used to it.
Brandy's little meerkat.
I'm saying hello. You've got a new friend.
That's so
Oh, they're all
cute.
coming over now.
This is too cute.
Got some
Hello.
little biscuits. Oh.
Little babies.
Brady was there.
Oh, cute.
They look a bit fat.
Right, if any animal was a fat mood, it's this pig right now. Like, this is me. Right, I'm gonna zoom in. Look! The one in here. That is too cute. Absolute mood. So the plan for when we're older, well, it's mainly my plan, is to have like our own little like land with loads of animals, and I want goats, look at them, and pigs and hens and alpacas and so exciting.
And ponies.
Ponies, of course. Yeah. But look how cute they are. Hi, Ella.
I ate Peppa Pig for breakfast.
Riley, stop it. Just because he's bigger than you.
You want
Look, he's looking right at us. Hello. Hi. Oh, the yawn weird.
That one does look like a camera.
Get Brady away from it.
Oh, you scared the pony.
This must in your pocket.
Yeah, boss. Oh no, he's scared.
Shetland ponies are cute, other horses are not.
This alpaca is still staring at us. I can zoom in.
A tiger.
So I'm just trying to edit some of the clips I've got from this week, but I'm having some technical difficulties. These two are playing Mario Kart because they're big children.
I lost.
She's not happy.
This is not fair.
But yeah, apparently the device storage is full, even though we've like deleted loads. But I think it's some of these videos. But now it's just on this little rainbow thing and I can't get it off.
We'll put.
So we're just heading to bed now because it's quite late. I had a big nap. I've started to put a few clips from this vlog together now because the laptop got it working again. But I think Mike's got an external hard drive that I could use, so it's not clogging up his laptop because it's his laptop, so that is very kindly let me use. Hello you. We're going to bed now because I keep forgetting to film outros for the day, but oh well. It's all going to be one big vlog, I'm thinking anyway, rather than lots of little ones. But yeah, good night. Good morning everyone. Well, actually,
Morning.
are you okay?
No.
Bitch. Anyway, it's our last day here today, which I'm very sad about, as my top reflects this mood. It says, when you realise your holiday is over. So we're going back tonight. We're getting the train from Driffield to Hull and then getting picked up by his dad to go back home for work tomorrow. Which is very sad, very depressing. So I'm sat on the floor packing. But before we go, we've got all day, so we're going to North Landing Beach. It's near Filey, and I've been before with one of my best friends, Louise, and it's gorgeous. So why am I not focusing? There we go. Yeah, it's quite small, but the water's really blue, and it's got a cave from what I remember. So yeah, I've got my swimming cozy on underneath just in case, because I might fancy going swimming again. But yeah, I think the weather's mainly cloudy today, but it's still 18 degrees, so it's not too bad. But yeah, we've made it to North Landing, and it's pretty as ever. What, are you gonna fall in your Crocs? I feel like I am. I keep forgetting how steep it is. That is. This is the. No, it's not busy.
Go up one more bank up left hand side.
This is the overview of it. It's so pretty. I know.
Go in the cave.
So much straight in. Yeah, we can. Found a good spot right up against the cliffs. So hopefully there's no falling rocks, but there's no signs of it. Was there? But yeah, there's like caves and stuff, and there's loads down there to explore too. So yeah, pretty fun. Look how cool this is.
Go around.
Yeah. I've been in that cave before. What?
No, that we're all in.
My dad said we might have one next year, but
That's the plan. Mum wants to go to Sweden next year, doesn't she?
Yeah.
so it's just, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's freezing.
Yeah. Cold, but not as cold as the sea. It's actually quite really cold.
I'll make a video in there.
I'm not going in, it's too cold. Oh my god!
So nice.
This is actually freezing.
It's nice.
Oh no, it's not.
Don't call me. I can't. I mean, there's a simple way to do it.
No, do not throw it at the cliff. We're gonna play volleyball now, because yeah. Ah! It's starting to rain a bit, but oh well. Look how pretty it is. We'll confiscate your bloody water gun. Okay, so while we're on the beach, just in this little area, I found receipts, paper bags, like wrappers, bits of plastic, outdoor brand 4-port sticks. Don't know what's up here. Come on guys, like just pick up after yourself. It's like not that hard. You're part of the problem if you leave stuff. And I know you're probably like, oh, it's only a receipt, it'll dissolve or whatever, but it just really just build up, because I found it like literally just in like this little area. But yeah, don't do it. Hello everyone, so it's a good like I think 2 or 3 weeks since the holiday, and because I'm me and I am the queen of forgetting to film outros, I was just coming on to film a quick outro. I really enjoyed that holiday, like honestly it was a godsend, just to get away from everything. If you're thinking like you need a little holiday or something, don't overlook, you know, going away somewhere in this country, because sometimes I think they're even better than going away, but like abroad. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and it would mean the world if you could like, comment and subscribe. So yeah, bye.